Hey guys, Kadita here, and I was sent the Rapid Heat Technology heating pad in exchange for my honest review, and I didn't even know I needed this until I tried it out. So as you can see here, it's got a nice soft feel to the heating pad. I absolutely love the softness and it feels good against my skin. It measures 12 by 24, so it's a nice big size, and I like the fact that I can put it here and it's gonna get all of my back. So I do like the size of it. And the heating pad has a dry and moist option. So if I want it wet, I can do that. If I want it dry, I can do that. And another plus is this is machine washable. So after a few uses, I can throw it in the washing machine and it's gonna be good to go next time. When I'm ready to use it, all I've gotta do is plug in the power cord into the corner adapter here, and I'm ready to go. It's got 6 heat settings, and it's got a timer function. So there's 4 timers. I can do 30, 60, 90 minutes, or 2 hours. And so after 2 hours, it's gonna automatically shut off, which is a great safety feature. Due to the size of this, I do like how I can simply fold it around and I can wear it around my shoulders. I can also fold it up flat, or I can even wrap it around me. So because of the size, it's got good coverage of wherever it is that I need to use it. And as a girl who's always cold, I love the fact that it's fast heating. Sometimes I like just to warm up, and so I can turn this on and I can stick it behind me and I can just sit back and relax, read a book, watch TV, whatever it is I'm doing. Overall, this has been a great addition to the household. So I hope you found the review helpful.